Imagine standing deep in the Amazon rainforest, the air thick enough to chew and echoing with howler monkeys. Suddenly, a strange silence falls. You look up through tangled vines, and locking eyes with you from 100 feet above is a bird that wields the exact same weapons as a fully grown grizzly bear. I'm not exaggerating for dramatic effect. This is a flying apex predator packing 5-inch bone crushing talons and a grip strength that can instantly snap a primate's arm like a dry twig. You might be picturing some prehistoric monster from a sci fi movie, but this is a very real, very modern stealth drone patrolling the skies of the Americas right now. Meet the Harpy Eagle, officially the most powerful eagle on planet Earth. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why sloths, monkeys, and heavily armored reptiles look up in absolute terror. Now, when most people think of eagles, they picture the iconic bald eagle soaring gracefully in open clouds. But you'll almost never see a harpy eagle doing that. They operate almost entirely within the emergent canopy layer of dense tropical rainforests stretching from southern Mexico down to northern Argentina. This isn't open sky, it's a claustrophobic labyrinth of massive tree trunks and tangled vines. Because they hunt in such tight, unforgiving environments, their bodies have evolved away from traditional eagle aerodynamics into pure, specialized close quarters hunting machines. And honestly, this is the part that completely blew my mind. Let's talk about their incredible size because female harpy eagles are absolute bullies in the best way possible. In the avian world, there's a trait called extreme sexual dimorphism, which means males and females look drastically different. In harpy eagles, the females are massively larger than the males. A male weighs a respectable 9 to 13 pounds, sleek, fast, and agile. But the females, they can tip the scales at a staggering 20 to 22 pounds. That means the female is up to 100% heavier than her mate. She's quite literally a flying fortress. When she spreads her wings, she spans up to 7.5 feet across. Picture a tall professional basketball player standing ways with arms stretched out. That's this bird flying at your face. But here's the truly wild part. Despite that massive wingspan, their wings are actually highly rounded and surprisingly short for their weight. They didn't evolve to soar gracefully for hours. They evolved this way specifically so they can violently dodge tightly packed jungle tree trunks at high speeds without crashing. And speaking of high speeds, when a harpy eagle initiates a dive through the dense canopy, this heavy duty predator can reach 50 miles per hour. That's significantly faster than most people run to the fridge at midnight when they hear a strange noise, myself included, but speed is just the delivery system. What happens when they make physical contact is where the real horror show begins. Remember those grizzly bear claws I mentioned? I was perfectly serious. The rear talons of a harpy eagle measure an astonishing 4 to 5 inches long. That's exactly the same length as the claws on an adult grizzly bear. These talons are engineered by millions of years of brutal nature to pierce straight through solid bone, thick muscle, and dense hide without dulling. But a 5-inch knife is nothing without the muscle to push it. Powering those massive curved talons is a grip strength of roughly 530 pounds per square inch. That's more than double the bite force of an adult human and noticeably stronger than a massive Rottweiler's bite. Let that sink in. With 530 psi of crushing force in each foot, a harpy eagle doesn't need a prolonged wrestling match with its dinner. If a predator gets into a physical fight hundreds of feet up, one mistake means falling to their death. So their grip is designed to instantly crush the spine or shatter the skull of mammalian prey the second they make contact, completely bypassing any struggle. It's literally lights out, instantly. One split second, a monkey is peacefully chewing leaves, and the next millisecond, it's over. Yeah, that's real life in the Amazon. Nature doesn't play fair. Now, you'd think a bird this massive and heavily armed would fly around the jungle all day, tearing up the canopy and causing chaos, right? Nope. They're actually the ultimate sit and wait predators. A harpy eagle will spend up to 90% of its day sitting completely motionless on a thick branch. They'll literally sit there in total eerie silence for 23 hours straight, just waiting for a sloth or monkey to make one fatal mistake. Go ahead. Try standing perfectly still in your living room for 23 hours. I'll wait. It requires patience that's frankly incomprehensible. But why? It's all about physics and conserving maximum energy for short explosive strikes. Flying a 20-pound muscular body through thick vegetation drains immense calories, so they let the food come to them. And when they finally strike, they rely on a sensory system that's borderline superhuman. Their eyesight is legendary, roughly 8 times sharper than ours. To put that into perspective, a harpy eagle can spot an object less than 1 inch across from nearly 220 yards away. It's like having high-powered military binoculars permanently installed in your skull, but vision is only half the equation in a jungle so thick that light barely reaches the floor. They also possess a secret auditory weapon, an owl-like facial disc of feathers around their head. They can flex muscles to raise and lower these feathers, acting exactly like a satellite dish, to funnel tiny sound waves into their ears. This makes them exceptional listeners in dense foliage. They can hear a single dry leaf rustle from hundreds of feet away, mathematically pinpoint the exact location, and launch a silent ambush. So, what's on the daily menu for a bird with grizzly bear claws, 530 psi of crushing force, and satellite dish ears? Scientific analysis reveals something interesting about canopy dynamics. Slow moving sloths make up nearly 50% of their total diet, specifically brown throated sloths and Hoffman's two toed sloths. But they don't stop at the slow and lazy. They regularly hunt highly agile mantled howler monkeys, incredibly smart white-headed capuchins, massive green iguanas, opossums, coatus peccaries, and even heavily armored armadillos. Because females are so much larger and more powerful, they usually take on heavy-duty targets like 20-pound adult sloths, while smaller, more agile males dart through the tightest branches to hunt faster birds and elusive reptiles. Female harpy eagles are so strong they can do something almost no other bird on Earth can manage: lift prey equal to their own body weight straight out of the canopy while in continuous flight. A 20-pound female can snatch a huge 20-pound monkey off a branch and carry it away without touching ground. Now, with all this talk of 20-pound lifting power, we need to address a famous, terrifying local myth that has circulated for centuries. Folklore across South America claims harpy eagles will swoop down into villages and carry away human children. Let's bust that urban legend right now. Despite being the most powerful eagle on the planet, physics is still physics. A harpy eagle maxes out at lifting 20 to 22 pounds in perfect flight conditions. So, unless your child is the size of a very small watermelon, they're perfectly safe from death from above. Harpies don't hunt humans. As with most apex predators, we're infinitely more dangerous to them, but we'll get to that tragic reality in a minute. First, let's talk about what these brilliant hunters do after a successful strike, because their behavior is fascinating. If a female kills a 15-pound howler monkey, she obviously can't eat it all at once. Her stomach isn't that big, and she only needs about 1 3/4 pounds of meat per day. So instead of letting it drop to scavengers, she wedges the leftover carcass tight into tree branch crotches, creating a high-altitude refrigerator. She stashes her food securely out of reach from jaguars and returns to feed on that same kill over the next 2 to 3 days. It's incredibly efficient, meaning she doesn't waste precious energy hunting daily. But that's not even the craziest part of their complex behavior. What I'm about to tell you will completely change how you see this fearsome predator. Because hiding right behind those massive talons is actually one of the most loyal, tender, and devoted parents in the entire animal kingdom. When harpy eagles find a mate, they're in it for the long haul. A mated pair is strictly monogamous and will stay together, fiercely defending the same 10 to 20 square mile territory for up to 30 years. That's a vastly more successful marriage rate than most Hollywood celebrities. When it's time to start a family, they don't mess with flimsy nests. Built 100 to 165 feet up, usually in a silk cotton tree, a single harpy eagle nest contains over 300 large branches. These nests are so massive and structurally sound you could easily fit a human double bed inside. It's basically a luxury penthouse apartment in the sky, just with more twigs and the occasional monkey skull. They absolutely need that sturdy space because raising a harpy eagle chick is monumental. The mother lays 1 to 2 eggs, but once the first chick hatches, the second is almost always ignored. It sounds harsh, but it's a biological insurance policy. The surviving chicks hatch covered in pure white down, weighing just 3 to 4 ounces. For the first 30 days, the mother is so fiercely protective she rarely leaves the nest, leaving the smaller male to do 100% of the hunting and food delivery. And here's absolute genius: parents constantly bring fresh green sprigs and aromatic leaves into the nest. Scientists realize these specific leaves act as powerful natural bug repellent, keeping flesh-eating insects and parasites away from their vulnerable chick. That's nature's pest control at its finest. The childhood of a harpy eagle is one of the longest, most drawn-out phases in the avian world. Even after the chick takes its first flight at 6 months and old, it absolutely refuses to move out. A juvenile harpy remains in its parents' territory for up to 2 whole years, constantly screaming and begging for free food while it slowly learns to hunt sloths. It's the ultimate freeloader. Because of this long, demanding childhood, a harpy eagle pair only raises one chick every 2 to 3 years. They're frankly awful at multiplying, which makes them highly vulnerable to extinction. If this deep dive into their intelligence and power blew your mind, do me a favor. Send this video to that friend who thinks they know everything about animals. You know exactly who I'm talking about. They need to see what real power looks like. Drop your thoughts in the comments too. If you had to hide from a harpy eagle in the Amazon, could you outsmart its superhuman vision and hearing? Be honest. Let's settle this survival debate, because right now, the most powerful bird on Earth is in serious trouble. The harpy eagle is listed as vulnerable globally, but in most Central American nations, they're critically endangered. While estimates suggest 100,000 to 250,000 mature individuals remain, Scientists admit accurate counts are nearly impossible because they hide so perfectly. What we know for sure is they've lost over 40% of their historical range. They require massive, uninterrupted lowland tropical rainforest. When humans bring illegal logging, cattle ranching, and agricultural expansion, eagles lose their ancient nesting trees. And remember how slowly they breed. Losing just one nest to a chainsaw wipes out 3 years of reproductive effort. On top of habitat loss, human wildlife conflict is severe. People shoot them out of misplaced fear they'll attack livestock or simply out of morbid curiosity because they're so massive and alien looking. It's no wonder early South American explorers named them after the harpies of Greek mythology, terrifying wind spirits with a woman's face and bird's body. They look like something from a dark fantasy novel. In fact, movie fans might recognize their regal appearance. The Harpy Eagle was direct inspiration for Fox the Phoenix in the Harry Potter films. To many indigenous Amazonian tribes, the Harpy Eagle is far more than a predator. It's the literal personification of tribal chiefs and the ultimate symbol of spiritual power. They're so revered they're Panama's official national bird. Scientifically, they sit at the very top of the food chain as ecological detectives. Because they require vast, healthy territories, the mere presence of a single breeding pair proves the entire surrounding ecosystem is perfectly balanced. Where there are harpies, the jungle is alive. Thankfully, there is real hope. Organizations like the Peregrine Fund have worked tirelessly since the late 80s, successfully breeding and releasing dozens of these magnificent eagles back into Panama and Belize. They're teaching captive bred eagles how to hunt and survive, slowly returning the rightful kings and queens of the canopy to their ancient thrones. That's the incredible beauty of nature. Every time you think you've seen it all, it pulls out something that leaves you speechless. An eagle with grizzly bear claws, a 530 psi bone crushing grip, superhuman senses, and lifelong tender devotion to family. I'm Professor Lyons, and I sincerely thank you for hanging out today. If you haven't subscribed yet, join the family right now because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. I'll see you there.